Hey, this is Jeff Haag with Diversified Energy over here at a typical home on Louisiana Avenue Parkway, uptown New Orleans. And we understand that sometimes price can be an issue. And so I'm here to give you a couple of hot tips on how to help us get the cost of your estimate down. Does this look like your garage? Stuff that is collected, junk, personal belongings over the course of years, decades, right? We need to remove this to have accessibility to do the effective job. Now, there are three options to handle this. One, we'd love to take care of it for you. That's what we do. That's going to be in the cost of the estimate. Or two, if you're trying to save some money, there's a couple of other options. One, you could pay little Johnny down the street a couple of $100s and take care of removing all this from the wall. Or you can make this a weekend project yourself. But when looking at a pricing, this is just a down and dirty tip from Diversified Energy.